How to use Qumatix app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you to use or how to get started on Qumatix Training Bot. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is to go into your Google Play Store or any app store available on your device and simply hit on open. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to register an account. You're going to have to use an appropriate or a valid email address and as well as your password. On the third box, you just need to choose what specific currency you're using. So for example, USD, just choose on USD. And once you hit on this option here, and then choose on open an account, you will be receiving an OTP for you to be able to completely create the account. Now, Comatex is actually an automated algorithmic trading tool designed specifically to execute user-defined strategies on the Codex platform. All you have to do is to open up the application and then of course try to give around 3 to 5 minutes to hovering around the features of this app and you're good to go. And that is how to use Comatex app.